We're diving into not one, not two, but several wild stories making waves right now. First up, let's talk about Michael Jackson and his ex-wife, Lisa Marie Presley, who just had some jaw-dropping revelations about their relationship. Then, we got Vybz Kartel clapping back at a fan for criticizing his latest video. Cardi B alleged affair while pregnant. Buckle up because this is about to get crazy. Michael Jackson, a virgin at 35? Yep, you heard that right. According to Lisa Marie Presley's posthumous memoir, Michael Jackson claimed he was still a virgin at age 35. This came out in her new book, From Here to the Great Unknown, written by her daughter, Riley Keough. Apparently, Jackson told Lisa that despite all the fame and relationships with people like Tatum O'Neal and Brooke Shields, he had never had sex before. Wild, right? Even Madonna tried to hook up with him. But according to Lisa, nothing happened. Can you imagine? The Queen of Pop making a move, and Michael saying, "Nah, I'm good." Their marriage didn't last long, though, only 2 years. But this new info really makes you wonder, was Jackson truly this shy? Or was there more to the story? Let me know what you think. Do you believe Michael Jackson's claim of being a virgin at 35? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Now, let's shift gears to Vybz Kartel. Recently, a fan called him out for singing his song Adiana in front of his daughter. The fan felt that the lyrics were a bit inappropriate, especially around his partner, Tatum. The fan's comment basically said, "There's a time and place for everything." And what did Kartel do? He fired back saying, "Woman come and go, but daughter is forever." Phew, that's some serious shade. But hey, Kartel isn't one to hold back. Do you think the fan had a point? Or was Kartel right to defend his actions? Should he have sung that song in front of Tatum? Or was it harmless? Let me know what you think in the comments.
Swear to God, are you my rather? Boy, me coulda never love you like my daughter, Adiana. Clean Air Force, Pearl White, say Madonna, dark. See me young going like you don't see me, Stevie Wonder. We a kick it like Kung Fu Panda, Honda. Come on.
Cardi B's alleged affair while pregnant. Now let's get into the Cardi B drama. According to DJ Academics, Cardi allegedly had an affair with NFL player Stefon Diggs while she was 8 months pregnant. Academics claims that Offset caught wind of it, and now it's part of the reason for their messy divorce. What makes it even crazier? Academics also claims Diggs is hooking up with 2 more rappers' girlfriends. Now, he didn't drop any names, but y'all know this kind of drama doesn't stay quiet for long. Cardi B and Offset haven't responded yet, but this bombshell is just blowing up. Do you believe this rumor about Cardi and Stefon Diggs? Or is it all just another messy celebrity mix-up? Queen Ifrica has called out Kartel for promoting violence, and she's urging him to change his ways. She even got spiritual, saying that Kartel needs to fear God and turn his life around.
The monster them with them be. Big God will not just let out of jail the other day. Vybz Kartel are one of them biggest teacher. We teach them violence and how to kill them one another. That's why him supposed to combat the artist right now. If he say him really love the Gaza nation and him really love the love where the fans them are give him. Why you not use it back for God youth and shame me devil? Why you not afraid of God so? Why you not afraid of time you no head a hurt, you no foot a hurt, you no in a private and say, "Do God please, no make me dead, please, me I beg you." You come out here tattoo God in your forehead. You're rich God, which God? The true and living God? Yeah, tattoo in your forehead, or the demon where you praise. My youth, you see if you're not humble in front of the Almighty Creator and do it right now, me I thought the true and living Almighty Creator. Where you pray to fi make you, fi beg him fi not make you dead. And beg him fi make you come a road. And beg him and no other God where you bow to can give you the freedom where you pray for in a privacy, my youth. And me see say find your touchy ground. A right which part you go in from. And this you pick up back from. You go in, you come out and come pick up back from. And I ignore the Almighty Creator who will give you favor. You come out a bat for the devil out the gate, you out of that, Version of Vybz Kartel where they send out from behind the bars. Vybz Kartel Vybz Kartel or whatever version of him that we wanna send out from back behind the bars. I said to not set the ground for the devil, man.
LA Lewis chimed in with his own accusations, claiming that Kartel's success is built on dirty alliances and that the spirits, yes, baby Duppies, aren't happy with him.
Yeah, man. So, what me go to Snake Eye? You understand? So people... Yeah. No, man, left him, man, because you see through with a good film, yeah, man. Make him do bad, because you say appear to take him, but we got a different show that, because for them violate me here, you know, I go link with him and Curry. You see appear judge better take him. All him woman, they better can't know. Remember how do RT boss, how long RT boss? And that's how I tell straight back RT boss in there. Yeah, see that paper, see that, me tell Snake Eye for put a lock on RT boss. Yeah, we don't hear not, because we know we control him chip. So what do when him violate Kartel when we just get Kartel out?
People, this mix-up is deep. Do you think Vybz Kartel can really turn over a new leaf, or is he too far gone? And what about all these accusations? Are Queen Ifrica and LA Lewis onto something? Or is it just more mix-up? Let me know what you think in the comments below.
And then from this, basically, you probably get another 400 and something, right? On the inside, it's actually black leather with red stitching, so it's fully leather in terms of the cockpit. As you can see, with lumbar support, the legs can be extended and stuff.
How much is it?
This one is going for 33 million. It's listed at 38. So it's currently on. Right? So it's in full electrical mode. Alright? It has the wireless charging system right here.
Full but
There's something on the back of the phone like that holds it. No.
and they have on a phone case. Like this. 33 million, never buy this, I like it.
Yeah.
Gaza Nation, see no beast here, you know. See that? I'm out.
I want to talk to you. I wonder if you see Kartel. When you see the man happy with the woman, I wonder if you see him genuinely love that woman there. I remember the hardcore Kartel would have just sing more ram out and jam out girl all. I wonder if none of you would have really imagine say when in the home with a woman when love, that's how much him laugh. She can genuinely entertain him without have to open up her legs and wear batty rider. I wonder how much are we taking the lesson here? Because sometimes, we put on the whole of the batty rider and sometimes, comfortable too, and we put it on because we want a certain type of person and a certain type of crowd. See we. And them see we, them are going to see we because we look nice tonight, but for how long? I wonder if one sister that woman is not for nothing. And she's genuinely fun to be around. I don't know how people hate to them. You understand? Like, I don't know how you can just get up and hate a person when not doing nothing. Like, I don't know how people do that. But I wonder if we realize, say, are the man wife that's, a wife that's in a real life, She's cute. She's humble. She's educated. And she has her own money. And she's not even about the show off life.